Watson used IBM AI technology used to provide insight and analyze tennis matches during. In this case study, IBM Watson used to provide real-time insights, player performances, and track ball movements. And then history of IBM Watson. First of all, it's pioneering AI. IBM Watson, developed in 2010, is an AI system that combines natural language process, machine learning, and data analytics. Second is groundbreaking achievements. Watson gained fame by defeating human champions like
Kindly start with your particular project. This is the history of the IBM, but what is
first
your
is,
that is fine. But what about the various problems which you have analyzed in this?
project to here. Case study की है.
Okay, fine. Next.
So overview of Wimbledon.
Yes.
So, a Grand Slam tradition. It's a Grand Slam tradition where Wimbledon is the oldest tennis tournament. Takes place in London, attracting the world's most best player and passionate tennis fans each year. Prestigious grass courts. Known for its iconic grass courts, Wimbledon offers a unique challenges and players demanding adaptability and patience in their games. The next one is rich tennis history. Wimbledon has witnessed legendary moments, iconic repetition, and thrilling matches. These are some of the detail about the collaborations.
Yes.
Now I am discussing the details about the collaboration. Technology meets tradition. Nowadays, technology is increasing day by day, which meets our tradition. IBM partnered with Wimbledon to integrate Watson's AI capabilities into the tournament's data analysis process. And second is a new era of tennis analytics. The collaboration aimed to enhance the tournament insights by leveraging Watson's advanced algorithms and intelligent data processing. Third, comprehensive data analytics. Watson processed a vast amount of structured and unstructured data, including player performance, match statistics, and even audience sentiment. Next. Watson's tennis match analysis. First of all, it collects data from various multiple sources. Watson gathers real-time data from multiple sources, including sensors on the tennis court, player movements, and ball trajectories. Cognitive analysis. Using Watson's cognitive capabilities, the system analyzes patterns, identifies key events, and provides insights into player strategies and game dynamics. Third is contextual understanding. Watson's AI comprehends the context of each match, considering past performance, player, and strength, even external factors like weather conditions. Next, insights revolutionizing tennis analytics. First is enhanced player performance. It helps
So
to
this will
enhance.
be based on a particular prediction model, or it is just to give a descriptive overview about the various statistics?
It's basically it forecasts the future, what will happen in future by seeing the past performances.
So it is basically a predictive analysis.
Predictive analysis.
Okay.
How the sentiment analysis will be done? You talked about sentiment analysis, no? How that is going to be done? How that is going to be done? Sentiment analysis.
Sentiment analysis means it predicts the future by seeing the performance of the players. It also see the past performances, the insights
Okay.
to forecast the future.
So what kind of tool will be used in this, in the forecasting?
Sir, Watson's artificial intelligence tool, sir,
Okay.
which helps to forecast the future by seeing the past.
How it works actually?
By seeing the past performances.
So basically you are trying to formulate a pattern,
Yes, sir.
okay, that according to the trend, okay, but when you just replicate it in actual, there is a huge difference. So we have just seen in our World Cup also, the team India, it was doing a wonderful job in the various league matches as well as the semi-final, but in the final the situation was different. So Again, it is a very
It's
good
not a
concept. It is
100%
yes, yes, very
It
much
is
right.
only
But you can work upon it that what kind of other inputs can be involved. Okay, that just like the weather conditions. Okay, just like that what kind of surface it is, and again it is a good concept which is provided. And
anything else.
anything else you want to enhance?
Impact and future possibilities. Expanding tennis horizons. So, Western collaboration with Wimbledon paves the way for AI integrations in other tennis tournaments, like worldwide tournaments, etc. Cross-sports insights. Western success in tennis analytics. It is successful in tennis analytics. Open doors for AI to shape strategy and decision making in various other sports. Innovations beyond sports. The collaboration demonstrates
What suggested is that you must include some kind of data which is related to that very country also. Okay, because in India maybe that kind of data will not be available regarding to tennis analysis because first of all, from where you will be fetching that very data, that is also important aspect.
so the conclusion and future collaboration. The collaboration between IBM Watson and Wimbledon making a turning point in sport analysis, unlocking new venues for data-driven insights and innovations. Watson project is really helpful and immersive collaboration for tennis players. Why you only focusing on Wimbledon? It's a different project, no? That's why. That is specifically.
Okay, it is a nice one.
My name is Anjali and my name is Kashmir. We are from PDA third semester, IBM. So, welcome to the world of AI. As we have all know that the AI has a brighter sides. Now it's know the dark sides of AI. And to navigate and explore more, we should know what is AI and what is the power of AI. Definition of AI. AI refers to the computer system that can stimulate human intelligence, such as problem solving, learning, and decision making. It encompasses various technologies like machine learning, natural processing, and computer vision. The power of AI. It is a redefining the way we live and work by stimulating the human intelligence and perform tasks that once required for the human effort. As we have already known that everything in the world has its positive and negative side, but the dark side of AI can be very dangerous even what we think today. So these are few examples of the AI which will affect our society in the future, like deepfake videos. In today's world, we have already seen in the internet that people are making videos of celebrities doing some inappropriate activities, and same with the voice synthesis. We can see that even our prime minister is singing song in every language. So if people can make these fake videos of such people, what will happen to the normal people? It will harm them. It will harm their image, and it will also affect their image in their social circle. Same with it will affect our privacy also. For example, in future, if anybody have any problem with us, they just can take our photos and make any videos which is not inappropriate in
Animated
the society.
videos which we have seen in many cases here.
Even today, if people still know that these are fake videos, but they take people as wrong, and they also promote these type of videos. And same with the detection problems. In future, these AI videos will become very challenging to detect which is real and which is not. So with the same with the trust and media, as these videos will not be easily to identify which is real and which is not. So we will not able to trust from the media, and same with all news channels. So to eliminate this wide range of problems, we have invented an app, a real life app, that is an innovative app that can save your privacy and safeguard the interest of several people. It is an app that unhides the bitter world of the artificial intelligence. Our app is capable of detecting and protecting the individuals from the fake AI videos by leveraging AI algorithm and deep learning. This app will ensure the trust and privacy and the authenticity of the video content. It is a tool that protects the rights of the individual and fight for the justice for any mishap.
No, now the question is that who has actually uploaded and who has created that very content.
Sir,
So that is very challenging, that from which very source that particular video has been uploaded. So is there any mechanism to
Yes, sir.
check that very
In
thing?
our app includes, next slide will be what will be our app including. And there,
Come to that only.
what is our main goal? Our main
Okay,
goal,
fine. This is fine. Next.
our app includes a safer place to share the problem and the privacy of the user. Fast action would be taken against the user in comparison to the other sites by ignoring all the cookies. And if the case is not being under the control, then the case will directly sent to the Women Council or Police Council.
So the issue with them again is that how to, first of all, detection is a very
So
big
by-
issue. Another is, let's say somebody is uploading video from some other country. So again, this will be a very tedious task, that whether they will be able to catch that very person. Okay, so and most of the fake IDs are also being used. Today, even if you are creating some content from AI, okay, from ChatGPT for instance, there are AI tools which are converting that very AI content into undetectable content also. So you might have came across those kind of content also. That the content which is created by ChatGPT, you put that content and humanize it. It is another you can say term which is used these days. That humanize that very content. It will be again, AI will be humanizing the things which are created by an AI. So is there anything in that regard which you have created or which you are planning to go for your project?
So we have planned that our AI will be detecting the videos, and if the videos are not being detected, then the all the process would be given to the Women Council of India or the police.
Women
And
Council
the,
of India, that is
the
again
police
is very difficult.
detect the difference between those AI.
Regional or it is every.
Our goal is to detect
Okay,
what is real
That
and
is the only
Detection.
thing.
So
Detection
Detection
of
is-
originality or fake.
Detection
That
is your main
main
goal.
goal.
Very good.
And
Very
the
nice.
app will identify the culprit through its advanced technology, and the case will be framed under section 66.
So is there any mechanism that because you are well versed in the technology, that is there any mechanism to check that whether it is AI generated or it is real
So
video?
we'll upload both the videos of
Okay.
the instances. So our actress is also being caught in such a video. So both the videos were being placed that it is the AI video generated and is the original video of that.
Also make people aware about our app through the contact marketing. We will create such content, aware people, educate about the AI technology so that they will
That
not
is
take
just the
those
awareness-
videos very
awareness
seriously.
section, huh?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. You done a wonderful
Yes,
job.
Mr. Third. Today we are going to present the case study on Keep the Change by Bank of America. And the Bank of America is an American multinational investment bank and financial services. And its headquarters is in North Carolina. And in today's date, the revenue of this Bank of America is $9,425 million dollars, and it was started in October 17, 1994. The main aim,
Just come to your project.
so the main purpose of this Bank of America was to increase the number of saving accounts so that the people in America save more and they can use the debit card.
And the case study, and this is the case study of the Bank of America Keep the Change. Then we are using the tool design thinking. First there are the 5 stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and the test. And for this case study we empathize that the Bank of America empathize that they have a less number of the customer in their bank, so they want to increase their number of the accounts in their bank. Then they join with the IDEO team. Then they seeing that in every household there is a one mother who can make the financial report of every family. You can also make the financial report of your family. Then by this way they thought that if they are making the reports, then they will help to increase their sales. First of all, that is a prototype. Prototype is basically roughly model, which is
Yes. Next.
this is an example of the prototype. This is a video. In this video, they show that how the prototype is work. This is after the ideation stage. This is the fourth stage of design thinking.
Grammarly can highlight precise tips for an introductory paragraph based on the research you've done so far.
Informative and inspiring intro. This is exactly what my thesis needed. Now that I've got a strong intro, I need to take a pass at perfecting some of the remaining paragraphs. Revision time?
Revision time. Here at Revision Division, we ensure your writing is.
Once everything's perfectly organized, I'll start working.
Can you skip this part?
This is the final prototype of the Keep the Change. This is the video by the wireless prototype they have made on the TV.
We want this your project that what you have created. So these are very useful videos. So what you have proposed for the project, okay? So that is more important for us. Is just highlight those points.
By this, we are taking this. First of all, we are taking the case studies. We have a solution by how this case study helpful. First of all, this is implemented in America, and after
This
all,
has already been implemented,
Yes.
or
yes.
this
They
has
are
In
analyzing
2000
the case.
Yes.
Okay, so what impact it has done on the savings?
It impact more than if we call this because
in
of
quantitative terms, you
in
should have
quantitative
data.
terms, when this case study is when the Keep Change program is implemented in almost in the 3 months of this Keep the Change program, about the 6 million people have the open their account, saving account. This also helped the every
So this
household.
basically the data was collected from the households,
Yes.
okay, and basically the mother, okay,
From the mother,
they
because-
were given the charge that they should organize some kind of what are the various revenues and what are the various kind of expenses, and that was shared with the bank,
Yes,
and
They have collected through the
they have
survey.
So-
collected
Yes,
the
ma'am.
data.
so that they were receptive enough to provide this kind of data to that bank.
Yes, the IDEO team think that if we in the most ancient time, $23.50. If we say $50 are saving, they have focus on $50. If we
The major thing which is the constraint in these kind of cases is that people, because this is a very private kind of a data, and they are reluctant to share this kind of a data with the bank or with some kind of a organization.
They are taking
So
the
how they have
service.
countered this very particular constraint?
So they have just taken an example that in every kind of household, in almost our household also, our mothers they do the financial reports, and from there they have in according to if it
Let's say we take your example.
Yes.
Okay, your household. Okay, if your mother is being asked by a particular bank, SBI, let's say in India, so would your mother will share that data with them or not? Just a very clear question.
they will she will not tell the exact
Yes,
data like how
yes.
she is distributing the money, but
But it affected their number of
Yes.
customers
so
for them.
they just take like
They
a
taking
round
the offline service.
like that and by using this method they have
So you can work more upon this. It is a very good project. Okay, so more work is also required in this very field, and it can be a very wonderful thing. And along with this, Indian government they are also foraying into the financial inclusion part, and this will enhance that very financial inclusion in India. And similar kind of project, if it is hosted or if it is represented to a particular bank, they will be quite very much interested into it. Thank you. It was a good effort.
Today I am Africa. I am here to
Just
give my
come to the
presentation
yes,
on a
just
topic
come to
how
the
to
project.
how to save water. In this presentation, I am going to tell you that how we can save water with the help of Moral tool. From that tool, I am using brainstorming and idea prioritization map. Now let's go on presentation. As we all know, water level is decreasing. So there are three main sectors from which I am focusing on: agriculture sector, industrial sector, and domestic sector. Firstly, agriculture sector is using 84% of total water, industrial sector is using 12%, and domestic sector is using 4%. Now, we are just focusing on that how we can save water in agriculture sector. That is basically a template that I can use. From this, I am using brainstorming and idea prioritization and app. Firstly, I am going to discuss that how we can save water in agriculture sector. Firstly, everyone is focusing on two crops, that is wheat and rice. No one is focusing on others that like maize, wheat and other like jowar. Then the main priority in this is I want to launch a water management app. Through that app we can provide all the requirements that how we can use other water. And in that app, professors of agriculture universities are connected with the farmer and they can provide a direct information. And if there any farmer is facing any problem, they can directly contact with the brilliant peoples, and that brilliant minds will provide the information that you can use these crops. Like as
There
we
is
all know,
a question in this that whether the professors of let's say PAU,
yeah.
would they be having this kind of time to interact with
already
the
do this.
because
They are into
they are
research
into the research, but the problem here is that the real beneficiary is the farmer. Okay, and the thing is they are into this very cycle, just you have said, that's like rice and wheat. And but the problem here is that the financial constraints which are attached to that.
So we can
Okay, so
not only do
because
this, private sector
it is
is involved in it.
yes,
Here
this is
we can do private
every
and
every
public sectors
government
connected
every
together.
government is emphasizing that don't sow this rice because it is
Water
just
consuming.
so much water consuming. Okay, but what is the alternative that is not being provided? And again, there are certain issues which are related to MSPs and so on and so forth. So the thing is, no doubt this is a very wonderful project which you are working in, but the real implementation. So, okay, so do it just like that. The implementation part must be into it. Okay.
So to implement it effectively, this app either only public sector
Even
is
you know
providing
this
each
thing
and
that
everything.
stubble burning is a crime. Okay, so it is a non-bailable offense. But still, you see that in actual what is happening. Each and every, most of the farmers in Punjab, they are just burning the stubble. So
So
again,
that is the
the
basic
implementation
problem
is
that-
the main issue.
So
Okay.
that is the basic problem, that they are not much aware about a new technology.
No,
and
they are
new
aware about that. They will
So
be
no, at the
putting.
ground
They will be
level-
put in jail if they are just burning the stubble.
So
But they,
that-
again, they are doing that
So that is the another
because the
process
thing is
here.
the alternative is not available. So it is a very good project which you have created. But the thing is implementation, that how the various professors which you are targeting, okay, how they will be actually connecting with the farmers.
So here in that application, I am generating a chat room in which not all, there are some people, like if there is a basic
Only the
problem,
educated one.
educated and they can
Again,
discuss.
most of the farmers are uneducated.
So sir, in that case, what we can do is that they can connect for that application. We are generating an office in every district, and in that districts they are firstly they can connected with there, and if there is not any problem that and they cannot face any problem, find any solution, then
Yes.
from there they can
Very good.
connect it
Already
with them.
such
Very
meetings with farmers that is being conducted by the PAU.
Conducted by PAU,
Already.
but again, okay, so it is wonderful one.
So
Thank you.
another is I am using a sensor technology. Through that sensor, either sensor technologies are implementing in India, but that sensor technologies are working on a battery. But here I am using a solar system. Through they can provide that sensor technology is connected with the mobile application, and they can provide about the soil fertility level. If that soil fertility level is a good, then we can grow that crop. If they can say us that this is not be sufficient condition and the fertility level of a soil is not as much good, then they can give us a substitute crop that you can grow that crop also. And further, if it's an idea. This is a brainstorming in which I collect certain ideas, and this is an idea prioritization map in which I am giving priority to different ideas and according to map.
So we got it.
Then industrial sector. Firstly, for industrial sector, as we know, industrial sectors will discharge waters in a river. And what I want is that there certain different spaces are created in which that harmful water is generated, and we can use certain chemicals or machines in a such a way that chemicals will reduce the harmful applications of that water, and we can.
So
use
we
that
are
for
having a technology of effluent treatment plants also. Okay, and it is mandatory by the government that if you are releasing some kind of chemicals from these processes, so effluent treatment plants is one of the priority of the government, and that's why pollution control boards are also being formulated. Okay, but again, everything is very good on paper. Okay, I am not discouraging you. This is a very good project, but how to implement it, you should be having that kind of you can say frame of mind.
To implement it each and everything, firstly only private sector can't do anything.
Okay.
So I have like application I am discussing about here. I am also discussing about sensor. For that, firstly private sector is doing and they can make that application. And after that, they are connected with the public sector and discussing their problems, and then public sector will provide funds to them.
Very
And my team partner is Sejal from BBA First Sem. We go to present our PPT on the case study Nike versus Adidas, through which we analyze which brand performing better in the market. It's all about the analyzing. We use IBM Cognos Exploration Lab.
So we analyzed it through the IBM
The basic
Cognos.
case study is that some people say Adidas is working much better than Nike, and some say Nike are working better in Asia and Europe country. Through which we take the data from Kaggle to search that. We perform some graph maps.
We used some maps to present that how it is performing better. So first one is this map which shows the difference between the listing price of both the brands, and we can clearly see from here that the listing price of Adidas is going much higher than that of Nike, and it clearly tells that it is far better than that of Nike.
As we know, we are business students, we get to know about the share, how the company have shares. In this last slide, we get to know that Adidas have much more listed shares in the market as compared to Nike. Nike not performing that well in the share market. Next, we use descriptive map, through which we use bubble map. In bubble map, we showing that the product sale of the Adidas is raising by day, not just a boom raise. On the other hand, if we talk about Nike raised by the boom, later on they boomly decrease their sales. Through which we notice that Adidas have continuous increased sales as compared to Nike. As we know, the Nike Adidas start from 449 price and now went to 33,999 price.
So thirdly, it is about the rating of both the companies, and we can clearly see from this chart that the Adidas is having a higher rating. It is on the number 1, whereas Nike is at least at the last number.
So which particular brand is providing reasonable prices in this?
Adidas. Because so side by side it is giving discount to the customers, and its rating is higher, which clearly tells that the customers are liking it.
Whereas Nike selling their highest product at 10,000, on the other hand Adidas selling at that same product at 7,000.
But you should be knowing this very fact that you have just quoted the example of the higher end. Okay, but you should be knowing about the median kind of a range. What is the median range? So
average
that is more
range of
important.
Nike is 6,000. On the other hand, Adidas selling that same product at 4,000. Minimum range of Nike is 3,000, and the other hand Adidas selling same product at 1,500.
So if we go with and sale price and the listing price. So as we explained that purple is for the listing price and blue is for the sale price of both the
But
companies.
the listing price of share market price of the
Adidas is more. Whereas the
but
sale price
of the
Nike is more, which shows that customers will not like if sale price will be higher.
But
No,
Customers
listing
want
price, you have checked this listing price of which very thing?
Adidas.
No, the share price.
Yeah,
share
listing
price and the
yeah,
product
share price,
relatability among the students, both are compared here. We get
That
to
is quite contradictory. It is, you can't compare apples with shoes. Okay, so share price, you just have to compare the share price of Nike with the share price of Adidas.
वो
Okay,
सर
so
शेयर प्राइस में हमने दोनों के शेयर सेलिंग और परचेजिंग प्राइस बताए हैं.
selling or purchasing price? it is
No,
the
no,
same.
no, sir. No, no, no.
So-
It is a listing price and the sale price. दोनों का हमने पहले
मतलब
listing
किसी का
price ली है.
किसी कंपनी के जैसे
First of all, be very clear about what is listing price.
लिस्टिंग प्राइस मतलब वो अपने आप को कितने प्राइस पे लिस्ट कर रहे हैं और सेलिंग प्राइस कितने प्राइस
Listing price, that means the price at which their share has been IPO. In that IPO, they have been listed their share.
Yes.
Am I right? Okay. So right now, what the price is there in the stock market? You are comparing that with the actual listing price as the time of the IPO. So this is the case. Okay.
So let's जो Adidas है उसका listing price higher as compared to Nike. Nike selling price is higher. The existing shareholders are not willing to continue their share. They're selling their share, which is a.
But again, a very important contradiction to this is that market discounts everything. Okay, so this is the very foremost rule of technical analysis. So if they are quoting higher price, that means the customers or the investors are willing to pay that very price. That's why their high price is there. Okay, so nice fun. You can work more upon it.
Sir, we make an app that will connect our local homes to the skilled workers. As we all know, sir, जैसे हमारी Uber कंपनी है जो होम सर्विस प्रोवाइड करती है, बट वो सिर्फ मेजर सिटीज़ में करती है. बट लाइक रूरल एरियाज हो गए, सब अर्बन एरिया हो गए, वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होगा. अगर उनको स्किल्ड वर्कर चाहिए अपने काम करने के लिए, तो जहाँ पर वो सिटीज़ पे जाएंगे जहाँ पर उनको स्किल्ड वर्कर मिलेंगे, पर वो उससे टाइम कंज्यूमिंग भी है और ये बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे भी ज़्यादा मांगते हैं. सो सर वी मेक अ ऐप दैट इज़ अ होम सर्व कनेक्ट नाम का होगा, तो वो उनको ईजिली कनेक्ट करेगा, जिससे वो अपने आप को जो वर्कर है रजिस्टर करेंगे ऐप में. सो लोग जिसको भी प्रॉब्लम होगी वो वहाँ से उसको बुक करेगा. रिव्यू वाइज सिस्टम होगा, जिसके रिव्यू ज़्यादा होंगे वो ऊपर दिखाया जाएगा. एंड सर इसमें सिर्फ कस्टमर का फ़ायदा नहीं होगा, जो वर्कर होंगे वो उनका भी ये इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ करेगा, उनका स्किल्ड जो होंगे उनका वर्क ग्रो करेगा और बिजनेस भी उनका ग्रो करेगा. सो देखिए सर, जैसे हमारी प्रॉब्लम मेन आती है लाइक इन सिटीज़ और कंट्री साइड हो गए, वहाँ पे उनको कोई भी अगर घर पे प्रॉब्लम आएगी तो उनको जहाँ पे नियर बाई सिटीज़ की तरफ ही जाना पड़ेगा, एज वी ऑल नो. सो अवर ऐप विल कनेक्ट all these things and they will connect easily to the home and they make me become faster to solve their problem at home. Okay sir. So जैसे हम अब डिज़ाइन थिंकिंग यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो हमने यहाँ पे एम्प्टी मैप डाला है, जिससे हमने कई लोगों से पूछा है कि वो हमारे पास क्या फील करें, क्या थिंक करें, क्या कह रहे हैं हमारे प्रोडक्ट के बारे में.
Ma'am, as we are learning the design thinking, so we uses the empty map to know what our customer feel, think, know, and want to do about our product or services. The first say involves the having a reliable electricity services would make the life so much easier. The second point is think what the customer will think. Is there a platform they connect me with the skilled
Just give the crux of this. Just give it.
And
No need to read each and every.
सर देखो जैसे वो कह रहे हैं, जैसे सेल्स में वो कह रहे हैं कि अगर हमें वो जो ही जो हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट है सर्विस है हमको अच्छी मिलेगी तो वो खुश होंगे. वो ठीक है, क्या करते हैं, जो हमें कोई ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए जो कहीं अलग ना जाना पड़े, वो सभी चीज़ें एक जगह पे मिल जाए उनको.
So we want to aware the customer how to use this application. It also focuses on that.
अगर आपको सर्विस अच्छी मिलेगी तो हमारे जो कस्टमर है वो भी गुड
So
फील
there are
करेंगे.
various companies just like urban companies
Yes,
there. So they are into this very. How your product will be
सर
different?
देखो सर, जो जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, जो अर्बन कंपनी है वो मेजर सिटीज़ में है, पर अगर हम ऐसे जैसे मैं रायकोट में रहता हूँ वहाँ पे
But again, the constraint in this very field will be that the skilled person. So there will be cost involved in the transportation also. Let's say in Raikot, you require a person from Ludhiana. So again,
sir, देखो,
there are
इसमें सर
yes,
एक
this will be
emergency
again
मार्केट है.
adding to the cost of that very person
नहीं
also.
सर, ऐसे नहीं होगा सर.
Yes,
देखो,
how?
इसमें जीपीएस भी ऐड होगा. सो
No,
इसमें
GPS
अगर इमरजेंसी होगी तो नियर बाय जो भी अवेलेबल होगा उस हिसाब से आपकी तरफ ये आएगा, तो आपको उस हिसाब से शो करेगा उसकी लिस्ट को.
But again,
ऐसे
the
नहीं
quality-
लुधियाना की तरफ जाएगा, जो
Okay.
रायकोट के आले जो नियर बाय जो है
nearby present है on that particular time.
रूरल और सब अर्बन एरिया का हमारा फोकस में.
Okay.
हाँ, जो हमारे
So
business में-
how the empowerment of those very people will be done?
Sir,
It will be done by your side.
नहीं सर देखो, हम वहाँ पे दो
Let's
ऑप्शन
say if a car got stuck, okay, and they require a mechanic, okay. So again, a local mechanic, they can easily move to the local mechanic by themselves also. So what will be the role of
Sir,
your app in that?
अगर
How
हमारी-
you will be creating that kind of a quality content that the quality person will reach that very person?
सर देखो जैसे आपकी हाईवे जो आपकी गाड़ी हाईवे पे स्टक हो जाती है, अब वहाँ पे सर आपको कहाँ ढूंढोगे? सर आप हमारा ऐप ढूंढोगे जो GPS ऑलरेडी होगा, जो नियर बाई जो भी विलेज होगा वहाँ से एक मैकेनिक आएगा, वो आपकी गाड़ी
From where you will be fetching that data,
Sir,
that
देखो,
who
हाँ,
is
sir,
the
वही-
mechanic,
हाँ, sir,
who
देखो,
is
हम-
the
जो हमारे
mechanic for a
हाँ,
car,
हाँ,
and
sir.
again a specified
सर
car.
देखो वहाँ पे लिस्ट होगी डिफरेंट टाइप्स की
List will be uploaded by whom?
अगर सर अभी कल
So first of all, you will be collecting the data of all the people. So how it is possible?
So it is possible, sir. And we
How?
will, sir, we will give the option of registration. So if there anybody need to,
Who will be again? You are targeting. Let's say take the example of mechanics
Yes,
only.
sir.
Okay, how will be you reaching those mechanics?
Sir.
So that is also a very question mark.
सर देखो पहले हम क्या करेंगे सर, पहले हम खुद जाएंगे उनके पास में, हाँ
एक एक बंदे के पास जाओगे?
हाँ जी सर।
अब रायकोट है, you know the
नहीं,
geography
देखो
of.
सर, हाँ, सर देखो हाँ,
So
जो एक
you
के पास
will
जो-
be requiring around 10 lakh of the capital for just reaching the people. Okay, so this is this practical? That to reach each and every person
सर नहीं सर
individually.
देखो, एक के पास नहीं सर, सिर्फ एक जैसे एक रैकेट में सिर्फ इतने सारे प्लम्बर होंगे, बट मैं सिर्फ एक के पास जाऊँगा जो मेरे को बस अच्छा लग रहा है भी हाँ।
Okay, fine.
And my name is Mansha. So basically, what is our project is government schools of India. So what are the problems of government school? Inadequate infrastructure. Inadequate infrastructure. जैसे कि बच्चे वहाँ पे पढ़ने जाते हैं, वहाँ पे फीस
Yes,
तो
yes,
कम
very
है,
good.
फीस कम है,
Yes,
but
yes. Next.
फीस कम है, बट बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं वहाँ पे, पर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ही नहीं है तो बच्चे पढ़ेंगे कैसे? और लिमिटेड एक्सेस, वहाँ पे कई रूरल एरियाज हैं जहाँ पे कि गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स है ही नहीं है, कोई भी स्कूल नहीं है।
Got it. Got your point.
ये हमारा स्टैटिस्टिक्स है कि हमें इनको चाहिए क्या, स्टूडेंट्स को चाहिए क्या, उनके कैसे उनको टीचिंग करने के इनको चैलेंजेस फेस बाय स्टूडेंट्स स्टडीइंग इन बुक्स, हमें उनको
Yes.
सुनना चाहिए कि वो क्या क्या चैलेंजेस फेस कर रहे हैं, उनकी बात भी सुननी चाहिए। टीचर्स को हमें कहना चाहिए कि वो अपने आप को टाइम टू टाइम इम्प्रूव
So
करें।
what will be your project pursuing? Just come to that part.
सोल्यूशन
What is the solution?
सोल्यूशन ये निकाला है कि हमने कि वहाँ पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डिजिटल पढ़ाई करवानी चाहिए, जैसे कि डिजिटल एजुकेशन देनी चाहिए, जिससे कि बच्चे समझ सकें कि बाहर के वर्ल्ड में क्या चल रहा है, वो कंपैरिजन कर सकें ताकि उनके साथ कंपेयर करके वो भी आगे
Let's
बढ़
say
सकें।
already government of India is having so many portals, NPTEL is there, so many SWAYAM is there. But what about the implementation of that?
वो यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँच पाते, पर कई ऐसे एरियाज हैं जहाँ पे नहीं पहुँच पाते हैं, अभी भी अवेयरनेस की
नहीं, जहाँ
जरूरत
पे
है।
यहाँ पे भी पहुँच पाते हैं तो आर यू अवेयरिंग दोज?
यहाँ पे कैसे पहुँच
यहाँ पे पहुँच रहे हैं, ओके, बट द स्टूडेंट्स आर विलिंग टू एक्चुअली अवेल दोज काइंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज. दिस इज द बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क.
तो सर टीचर्स को भी होना चाहिए कि
No,
को-
teachers, they are every time they are telling you that enroll for this very program. But how?
Talking about government schools, they are
No,
not aware.
no, no.
Teachers are not aware that
बताते
much.
नहीं
They
है
are not communicating their students.
Apart from the rural, I am asking you this thing. You are not in a rural school. But what about, let's say, take the example of your class. Okay, every teacher was again it was after you that you should go for these NAPTEL certifications. How many of you have actually done those certifications?
We are doing.
Maybe 1 or 2%.
But that-
Okay,
that's
so
the
this
other
is
thing, na?
this is which we are talking about the top notch. You can say the faculties there, and the students are also well aware about that. And you are talking about those things to deliver to those very students who are in a rural background.
They don't
So
have
how you will be
basic
actually
education.
the implementation part, that is
by collaborating with the government officials so that they can
government
provide-
official. Why they will be interested in this very aspect? They will not be interested. They don't have time to go for each and every school and to
But
see
उनको
the
जब
nitty-gritties of
उन्होंने
this.
गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स खोले हैं तो उनको पता होना चाहिए कि वहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं, इतना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वहाँ पे खराब है रूरल एरियाज में, ठीक
Okay.
है, वो खराब है, उनको तक पूरी अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं पहुँच रही हैं, टीचर्स
Okay.
अवेयर होते हैं बट वो कई जगह बताते नहीं हैं, ये भी चीज़ है। और
Okay.
कम्युनिकेशन की प्रॉब्लम भी होती है वहाँ पे,
Okay.
उनको उस चीज़ पे ध्यान रखना चाहिए ताकि बच्चे बाहर के वर्ल्ड के साथ में इंटरेक्ट कर सकें।
होना चाहिए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है.
How
We are
it
very
will- how
good.
it
We
will
are
be
very good in
implemented.
planning. प्लानिंग में तो हम मास्टर हैं,
Implementation कैसे होगी?
बट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कैसे करोगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द माइंडसेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. Every student wants that he wants to just flee for abroad, and he or she is trying for something else. The mindset is not there that they have to stay here and they have to go do something this interesting kind of trainings. So if that mindset is not there, so to change that very mindset, what is your reply in that very case?
It's the responsibility of teachers to.
It is responsibility of teachers.
Yes, teachers,
Okay.
parents.
Oh, very good.
Sir,
Very good.
सर वो
Very
उनकी
nice.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगी. बच्चे को तो पता है.
अच्छा, बच्चों को पता ही नहीं कुछ भी.
इतना दुनिया से देख के ही समझता है बच्चा भी कि जैसे
Each and every, even you are talking about rural, each and everybody is using the smartphones. So they are not ignorant, but they are the main thing is willingness. How to create that willingness? That is my point of
Actually,
concern.
so was saying that it's depend on your own willingness.
So okay. Detection is your main goal. Very good. Very good.
Basically, your chip is depend on cardio.
So is there any
We
mechanism?
work on cardio, right?
Because you are well versed in the
Just check on the
technology.
heartbeat.
Is there any mechanism that
Oxygen level
whether
also.
it is AI generated or it is real people?
The stress level it will automatically increase now. It will automatically increase when you will work on the cardio.
It's very technical. Okay. Detection is your main goal. Very good. Very good.
Basically, your chip is depend on cardio.
So is there any
We
mechanism?
work on cardio,
Because you are
right?
well versed in the
Just check on the
technology.
heartbeat.
Is there any mechanism that
Oxygen level
whether
also.
it is AI generated or it is real people?
The stress level it will automatically increase now. It will automatically increase when you will work on the cardio.
Data encoding.
Data encoding. I'm asking that you have used here linear regression.
Linear regression.
You are using linear regression model. Now, what else apart from linear regression? Is there any another model you are using for this analysis?
From present, we are using linear regression.
Only
After
linear regression. Okay, show
for
me your
the-
results after using the
This is
linear
the-
regression
This is
model.
the model source map. This is the results, and later we are having the idea for logical algorithm, using the logical algorithm also. And this is just a premium model. We have an idea. I have another guide. We want to mix with ideas, and we are using some more logarithm.
I got your point.
And
Okay.
both the players can play.
In multiplayer, how many players can play? 2 players, 3 players, 4 players? Is there any only 2 players in tic tac? Okay, if you will this is a tic tac, that I understand that only 2 players can play. If you are developing any another game, then it will work for same coding will work. Fine, for Ludo and other there will mention. Okay, fine. Please continue. But then how the single player will play? Now I'm saying that how single player is the competition is between 2 players. Now then single player hoega.
Second player is the computer.
Huh?
Second player is computer.
Okay. There are 2 now. There are 2 players. One is the system and other is the user player. Okay, fine. So Show me the coding. From where you have started.
We have used Google Library, Training Library, and Interfor copy and method of e-copy in the library.
Nice.
Both the players can play.
In multiplayer, how many players can play? 2 players, 3 players, 4 players? Is there any only 2 players in tic tac? Okay, if you will this is a tic tac, I understand that only 2 players can play. If you are developing any another game, then it will work for same coding will work. Fine, for Ludo and other there will mention. Okay, fine. Please continue. But then how the single player will play? Now I'm saying that how single player is the competition is between 2 players. Now then single player होएगा
Second player is the computer.
Huh?
Second player is computer.
Okay. There are 2 now. There are 2 players. One is the system and other is the user player. Okay, fine. So show me the coding. From where you have started.
We have used Google Library, Training Library, and Interfor copy and method of e-copy in the library.
Nice.
Rock, paper, scissors game by using conditional statement. And if you by taking the user actions, the computer actions will be given randomly. Like if you run the code, it will come like this. And if you can play like a rock, paper, scissors. If you play rock, if you type rock, computer choose cover paper man, and it's cover, so we lost man. If you want to continue the game, you can make this right.
One player is you and other is a computer. Okay. And what about if computer will not play, that there are 2 players only? Is there any
No,
that
no,
option? Only the single option you have taken. Fine. Okay. Only this much code is here?
Yes,
Else condition?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So right now, what is
Rock, paper, scissors game by using conditional statement. And if you by taking the user actions, the computer actions will be given randomly. Like if you run the code, it will come like this. And if you can play like a rock, paper, scissors. If you play rock, if type come with the choose cover paper map and it's covered so we lost map. If you want to continue the game, you can just
One player is you
One-
and other is a
computer.
computer. Okay. And what about if computer will not play, that there are two players only? Is there any
No,
that
ma'am.
option?
Only single
Only the
player.
single option you have taken. Fine, fine. Okay. Only this much code is here?
Yes,
Else condition?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sometimes you can't remember some things skip from my mind. It will skip from my mind. So I made a code from this list. If you want to sometime you want to add like you want to something, you can add work and this will be added in your list. And if you want to display the task, then this will display in tasks. That's what you have to do.
Okay.
If you have to if you have done this bug and if you want to remove that, so you can also remove the from here task.
And what about the already created tasks?
I mean the
How
already,
you will enter task?
if you want to enter the task, you can enter in this like groceries. If you want to add the task, then this will be added in your list. And if you have to display those tasks in your pop-up bar, then this will be created. This will be
Okay. And if you completed this task,
yes, ma'am.
then what the option it will display?
If,
Then you will remove that one.
yes, ma'am.
After completion, you will remove manually.
Yes, ma'am.
Automatically, it will not remove. Okay. Then you can add another option that automatically after completion of a particular task or after you can add a time limit also, like a 1 day or 2 days. It automatically remove. Otherwise, it will store data, like storing capacity problem will be there, right? So it's a very good. So keep it up. You guys have like very good projects. Your startup is as a first year students. You are doing very well. So keep it up. Very nice.
Since I have a creative person, like our teachers like only simple control statement. So I made this manually
Okay, after completion of this game, you have just prepared this game only. Alright, show me the coding. You have used conditional statements only in this coding.
Yes, in conditional statements and defined.
Define conditions. Nice. Okay, after completion of this game, you have just prepared this game only. Alright, show me the coding. You have used conditional statements only in this coding.
Yes, in conditional statements and defined.
Define conditions. Nice.
Transportation also. Let's say in Raipur, you require a person from Ludhiana. So again,
By Unity Engine.
Yes, it will be again adding to the cost of that very person.
This is a rolling ball game.
Yeah, balance ball.
Balanced ball.
And the job finding so many concepts.
Show me the coding for this game.
जैसे बॉल मूव कर रही है उसके ही ये है 2 क्लास पब्लिक और प्राइवेट पब्लिक में हम ऑडियो डाल सकते हैं कितने कॉइन्स कलेक्ट डाल सकते हैं प्राइवेट में कि कैसे कलेक्ट हो रहा है कैसे ऑडियो बाकी कोड है ग्राउंड में जैसे ग्राउंड में
they require a mechanic. Okay, so
बाद में
again, a
rotate
local
point
mechanic
point
they
rotate
can
हो रही
easily
है
move to the local mechanic
rotate
by
होता है ना
themselves also. So but
rotate हो रही है
your how you will be creating that kind of a
रीस्टार्ट
quality
अगर कोई गिर गया दोबारा से
हाँ,
रीस्टार्ट
restarting
quality
के
इसकी
percent
स्क्रिप्ट
will
है
reach that very percent.
ठीक है और आउट के लिए आपको यू विल गेट 3 चांसेस
हाँ जी ये देखो वेब के लिए नहीं है मोबाइल और
So where you will be
अच्छा
fetching
मोबाइल एंड
that
पीसी
data.
के लिए मोबाइल है
दोनों के
The mechanic for a car and again a specified car list will be uploaded by you.
वेरी नाइस
So first of all, we will be collecting the data of all the people.
So when we select the data, we choose to use 20% of our data or 100% for our training. Then the rest of the 20%, the 20% rather will be used for testing. The 80% will be used for training. So after we train, then we use the 20% left for testing. So we did the training here. So when you see that the S shape of the training data is this, which is the 20% of the data we took. So you see that we have 1995, 1995 train and test.
keep it up
Yeah, so you see the linear regression is reflect. So you see that 0 here, we start with the model, it has 0. That means there's linearity in our distribution. We start to the mean standard deviation to the right.
well done very soon
Thank you so much.
राइटिंग किसकी अच्छी है
इंट्री जो है आपके एक समय पॉसिबल है